Just one more quick item here. I wanted to show you a little bit about what one of these uh, Microsoft Image Composite Editor composites looks like from aerial photographs. So this is a drone mission that I flew some time ago over a farm. And so all of the individual photos are here. I took this with a GoPro camera and a 3DR Iris Plus drone. And so you can kind of look at it. I think I flew this one at about 200 feet. So I put all of those images straight into the Image Composite Editor, and when you run that stitch, it looks something like this. So I have a couple of these here. I'll just show you the 90% version. You can vary the quality on a JPEG. Let's see. There we go. So we'll zoom in here and allow you to see some of the detail. So the inputs for this are something like 150, 200 different images. And it's a pretty large image. We'll zoom out a little bit more here. All right. So one of the things that you'll notice that in contrast to what you're going to see from the photogrammetry, the way that this is going to stitch together is going to be more from sort of this composite perspective view. So each individual photograph is obviously taking, not from an orthographic standpoint, which means it's not really overhead at all points. And this is true for every orthophoto that you look at. When you're looking at satellite photographs, you'll often see the sides or facades of buildings, the sides of objects, and things like that. And this is kind of a nice way to look at it. In a way, it looks a little bit more natural. But it also creates some distortions that you need to be aware of. And so if you look at this, you're sort of seeing the sides of these corn stalks. This is a house. This house came in pretty well. But some other features sort of look like they're leaning over. The side of this looks bent as a result of the composite. And so overall, I wouldn't recommend this as a substitute for real photogrammetric products because it does have this problem. But for a quick overview, it often looks fantastic. So I'll upload this, and you can take a look at what a real composite looks like, and look at some of the strengths and weaknesses.